Hello humans! Today we're going to build my dungeon master, aka the man that keeps throwing fireballs at me, aka my husband, a custom-made DM screen. I want this to be aesthetically pleasing and also go with the Komiko lamp that I recently built. So it's going to have the style of a Japanese Komiko screen. But I wanted to have a twist. I want the mid panel to be removable so that he can insert a tablet, and that way he can show us all of the wonderful monsters we're about to fight. So, let's get to it.
First thing is building a frame. The initial plan was to have mitered corners, but sadly my miter saw died on me mid-project. It also looked a bit boring, so instead I went for something more architectural with some more added details. And as you can see, if you want to build one yourself, you can do it entirely with hand tools as well. The only power tool I used was a drill for my dowels later. But that is also optional. I just wanted to add a bit more interest. Off camera, I also cut and attached the connecting beams on the top and bottom. That is both to add visual interest and also where the screens will sit and be attached to. Then I sanded everything smooth with 150 and 180 grit. I marked all my placements to drill holes for my dowels. I used larger 1 cm dowels. If you do that, it is best to drill in stages, meaning start with a smaller bit and then go for the actual size. That way you reduce tear-outs of the wood, especially if you work with a softwood like I am. Now for the screen. I made a grid layout to use as a guide and strips of balsa wood for the panels. These I will interweave and glue together.
One eternity later.
I mark where everything is supposed to sit on the frame and glue that. The only piece that will be different is the middle panel. That one will not be glued in place as I want it to be removable so the tablet can slide into it. The backing will be the same paper as the Kumiko lamp, as I have no shoji paper available here. I cut everything to size, glue and clamp. I want the entire thing to be compact and easy to store. For that I will have these dowels that slide into the sides and can be removed as needed.
Oh, wow.
Ta-da! I made you your very own Dungeon Master screen. Not just that, you can take it apart so you can fold it away. And when you don't want to show us your wonderful monsters that are about to kill us, this pops in here
Nice.
instead.
That is very cool. Very, very cool.
I hope you like it.
I do. I love it. That is fantastic.
Happy, I don't know, anniversary or something.
You're a little early, but okay.
I mean, I'm both late and early. I'm basically a wizard.